Hello friends, in this video let us try to attempt to answer another most frequently asked question, that is, how can you handle stress or how can you handle pressure. In this video I will give you 4 best possible ways of answering this question and couple of wrong answers also, so that you don't end up giving those as your answers, and I will also discuss other ways of asking the same question. So here we go. Now, before giving you those sample answers, I would like to discuss what are the in how many ways you can answer this question. I have categorized them into 4 types. Let me discuss each in detail. First one is conventional answer. What you will give as an answer in a conventional way is, you will bring up an example or an experience from your recent past to justify that you can handle stress. So that is the most conventional way you can answer this question. Second way is explaining them how stress helped you to perform better than in normal situation. In this type of answer, you are telling them that you perform better in stressful situations than in normal situations. Then third type is, you need proper planning to answer this question, and you should be very good at communication skills to answer this question. Giving explanation how you avoid being in stressful situations. So what you are trying to tell you in your third type of answer, you are telling them that I generally avoid being in a stressful situations. I will be pre-planned, but justifying this will be challenging. You should be very confident, you should be very good at communication skills, and you should have proper plan to give the answer. Then fourth way is, speak of a hobby or a practice which you follow to avoid stress. So here you accept that you also have stress, you also was in stressful situations, and you are telling them how you overcame from that stressful situations, what you do to overcome from that stressful situations. So let us see answers one by one. First is conventional answer. Let us look at this answer in detail. I was exposed to stress many times in the past. I would like to tell an example from my recent past. I have been representing district volleyball team since last 2 years. During my 7th semester end exams, I had my state team selections. Luckily, selections were in Lucknow, which is only 1 hour drive from my stay. I had to attend selections in the morning and have to write exam in the afternoon on the same day. At short notice, I got ready for both and could execute both in time. I got selected in state team and I am awaiting my 7th semester results. Hope I get good grade in the exams too. Now, this is very optimistic way of telling the answer. Here the candidate is trying to present a real-time situation which he experienced in recent past, where he got to handle stress. This is a very conventional way of answering a question, and it works most of the times. So you need not pick the same example. You can look into your recent past, preferably from your recent past, where you handled more than one task at a time or in short time span, so that you can present that stressful situation and you can explain them how you overcame it. But ensure that you will be optimistic throughout that answer. Now, second way of answering the same question. Look at my sample answer for the question, how do you handle stress? Your answer is, the candidate's answer is, to me, stress is quite significant. Stress is quite significant. When I am stressed, I give it my best. So here the candidate is saying he is giving his best in stressful situations only. To stay motivated and productive, I feel I need a healthy amount of stress. I am ambitious person. I always wanted to get getting into a job of my choice after my graduation. From day one, when I joined my graduation, this kept on motivating me to perform significantly better than in normal situations. Hence, I strongly feel stress is good. Look at this confident statement what he is making at the end. Now, what this candidate is saying, he or she is saying that he performs better in stressful situations, and he is using some words like ambitious person, some quotes like ambitious person, stress is good. These are very strong statements to make, which proves to the interviewer that you are really confident. And he gave an example of his graduation from the day one when he joined the graduation, and he is telling that since I joined my graduation, I know I have to get into a job. Now he is only discussing of getting into a job. You have to remember, he is not discussing about any other alternate career plan. It is his option one was getting a job, because he is also sitting in a job interview. So there may be a possible discussion after this question. If when you say that getting into job, they will ask you, is this, do you feel this company is right to you? Why do you feel you are suitable for this company? Such kind of questions may come. So please ensure that you also plan for such discussions after you say this as your answer. So this is also one of the best answers which can be given for this question. Now let us look at the third way of answering the same question that requires proper planning. So when the same question is asked again, the candidate's answer is, well, I am a well organized person who plan things really well. Rather, I could state it as one of my strengths. So here the candidate is presenting stressful situations as one of his strengths because he is a well organized person. Hence, I generally avoid stress. So here candidate is not talking about being in stressful situation. Instead, candidate is saying that he knows how to avoid stress. So he is pre-planned. But if anything unplanned comes, so here he is also giving a scope for unplanned activities. He is also here the candidate is also giving explanation for unplanned activities. If anything unplanned comes my way, instead of reacting to stress, I respond to situation. Now this is a very strong statement again to make. Instead of reacting to stress, I respond to situation. This is very, very good point to say. So I have been, then you can speak of any example or any very short thing which you have actually overcame or you avoided being a well organized person. It can be any recent past example which you can speak about. So it differs from person to person. So I have avoided giving that detailed example. You can use the same example which something like what I have explained you in the conventional answer, like way 1. Okay. So this answer here will continue with your example. So that's why I left it like that. Then next is a last thing. This is a very practical guy who says, yes, there will be stressful situations in life, but here the candidate is speaking about a regular practice, what he preaches to avoid stress. The candidate says, I feel stress is unavoidable at every stage of our life. So stress is unavoidable at every stage of our life. I prefer hitting a gym whenever I feel stressful. Now he is suggesting a solution for the problem. This really helped me a lot to overcome stress. So this is a brief answer which one can give for this question. However, because there is no one answer for any HR interview question, so you can also answer the question like this. You may pick your own things. You may listen to music, you may sing songs, you may dance, whatever it is. You can pick a hobby and present it as a tool which you will utilize to avoid or to overcome stress, right? Now these are the 4 ways which I actually thought of presenting it to you. You can once again go through the video, analyze each answer carefully, pick one answer which will be suitable for you and try to plan it your own way. If you get any doubts, you are free to give any comments. Then, wrong way of answering the same question. Now, what are the wrong ways of answering this question? I have given the brief statements where you might go wrong. I only prepare for exam in the last minute. So if a question comes, how can you handle stress? Don't tell them that I prepare for exams in the last minute, or I only prepare for exams in the last minute. Such statements will only give negative impression on you. They doesn't help you to get any job. Or don't tell them bluntly, I can't handle stress. This also doesn't going to help you, because the prime intention behind asking that question is you have to live with the stress when you work for any organization. Sometimes there will be unavoidable stress in work cultures, so they are just checking whether you are completely ready for it or not. So when you by on yourself accept saying that I cannot handle stress, that is something which may not help you. Then, I can't be at my best when I am stressful. Now again, this is also a wrong way of answering the question. Don't tell them that if stress comes to me, I cannot perform. That is another wrong way of saying. Then, I never felt stressful. Now this is also a blunt statement which you have to avoid. Don't tell them that, such statements like I never felt any stress or nothing causes me stress. Please avoid saying these answers, because we don't know how the interviewer responds to such answers. So let's not take that risk unless it is a measurable one. Then, other ways of asking the same question. What will you do if your client pulls the deadline? Pulls the deadline means the client is pulling the deadline. If the deadline is, let's say, some 50 days away, but the client says, I want to deliver it in 20 days only. So this deadline is pulled by 30 days. Now how will you perform? So it is again indirectly asking you, how can you handle the stress created by that deadline? How can you handle stress in everyday life? This is again a regular way of asking. Can you stretch beyond your capabilities? Can you stretch beyond your capabilities when demanded? When demanded means there is a demand of outperforming than your regular way of working. So that obviously may cause stress. So this is another way of asking the same question. Hope you liked this video. Hope you got enough information about how you have to answer this question. For more such interesting questions and for more such interesting videos, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions related to any other frequently asked question asked in any type of interview, you can post it in comments. I will try to make a video based on that. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you once again.